every scar, every doubt turns to power. Hear it loud. City lights in silver glow, every wound begins to show, but I'm stronger than before. I don't fear it anymore. Heartbeat like a drum inside. Every fall I learn to rise from the ashes, from the fight. Now we own the night. Sky turns dark, but I spark lightning running through my heart. No fear, no chain. We rise above the pain. Like rain, we don't fall, we elevate. Like rain, pressure makes us break. Through the fire, through the flames, we rise and soar. We rise and soar. We Thunder moving through my veins, all the loss became my gain. No surrender in my name, I redefine my game. Feel the bass beneath my skin, every battle I will win. From the dark I'm breaking in, like the storm begins.